Did you know that some dog breeds are naturally more well-behaved than others? Or have you ever wondered which breeds are the easiest to train? Well-behaved dog breeds are like super important for families and owners. They can bring so much joy and ease into a household. A dog that listens and follows commands can make life so much simpler, don't you think? Plus, it helps in creating a strong bond between the pet and the owner. Now, let's talk about some common issues dog owners face with misbehavior. Things like excessive barking, chewing on furniture, and even aggression can be really challenging. That's why, choosing the right breed is crucial. It can make a world of difference in your experience as a dog owner. Let's dive into the 18 most well-behaved dog breeds. First up, we have the Labrador Retriever, known for its friendly and outgoing nature. Then there's the Golden Retriever, a breed that's not only intelligent but also eager to please. The Poodle in its various sizes stands out for its remarkable trainability and keen intelligence. Border Collies are next, celebrated for their exceptional obedience and work ethic. The German Shepherd, often seen in roles requiring discipline, is both loyal and highly trainable. Moving on, the Shetland Sheepdog shines with its quick learning and responsiveness. The Doberman Pinscher, despite its imposing look, is known for its loyalty and obedience. The Papillon, a small yet highly trainable breed, surprises many with its agility and intelligence. The Australian Shepherd, with its boundless energy and trainability, is a great companion for active families. The Pembroke Welsh Corgi, with its strong work ethic and intelligence, makes for a well-behaved pet. We also have the miniature Schnauzer, known for its alertness and obedience. The Belgian Malinois, often used in police work, is incredibly disciplined and trainable. The Bernese Mountain Dog, with its calm and affectionate nature, makes a wonderful family companion. The Cavalier King Charles Spaniel is not only affectionate but also very eager to please. The Havanese, with its playful yet obedient disposition, is another great choice. The Shih Tzu, known for its friendly and outgoing personality, is also quite trainable. The Boston Terrier, often called the American Gentleman for its tuxedo-like markings, is both intelligent and eager to please. Lastly, the Cocker Spaniel, with its gentle and affectionate nature, rounds out our list of well-behaved breeds. Each of these breeds brings something unique to the table, making them excellent companions for families and individuals alike. One standout breed that might surprise you is the Papillon. Despite its small size, this breed is incredibly agile, intelligent, and highly trainable. It's a perfect example of how great things can come in small packages. To recap, the key traits of these well-behaved breeds include intelligence, trainability, and a friendly disposition. These characteristics make them excellent companions and easy to train, ensuring they fit well into various lifestyles. If you enjoyed learning about these well-behaved dog breeds, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Share your favorite well-behaved breeds in the comments below, and be sure to check out our other videos on dog training tips. Your support helps us bring more valuable content to you. Thanks for watching.